Let's take a look at hands-on training methods. Hands-on methods are training methods that require the trainee to be actively involved in learning. These methods include on-the-job, known as OTJ, simulations, case studies, business games, role-playing, and behavior modeling. These methods are ideal for developing specific skills, understanding how skills and behavior can be transferred on the job, experiencing all aspects of completing a task, or dealing with interpersonal issues that arise on the job. On-the-job training, known as OTJ, refers to new or inexperienced employees learning in the work setting and during work by observing peers or managers performing the job and then trying to imitate their behavior. On the job takes various forms, including apprenticeships and self-directed learning programs. Self-directed learning has employees take responsibilities for all aspects of learning, including when it's conducted and who will deliver it. Apprenticeship is a work-study training method in which both on-the-job and classroom training are used. The typical length of an apprenticeship is 4 years, but this can range from 2 to 6 years. A simulation is a training method that represents a real-life situation, with trainees' decisions resulting in outcomes that mirror what would happen if they were on the job. A case study is a description about how employees or an organization dealt with a difficult situation. Business games require trainees to gather information, analyze it, and make decisions. Business games are primarily used for management skill development. Role plays refer to experiences in which trainees take on a role such as a manager, client, or disgruntled employee and explore what's involved in that role. Behavior modeling presents trainees with a model who demonstrates key behaviors to replicate and provides trainees with the opportunity to practice the key behaviors. Behavior modeling helps ensure that transfer of training occurs by using application planning. Application planning prepares trainees to use key behaviors on the job and enhances transfer of training.